નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 7th subject English grammar lesson number 4th articles. Students, from your lower classes you learned about different types of articles. There are mainly two types of articles in our English grammar. Today we have to study in details about articles in this lesson. Lesson number 4, articles. So let's start our study about articles. What is an article and where it is used? All the things we have to understand here in this lesson. So first of all, articles. Introduction of articles we have to understand about it. In English, the words a, an and the are called articles. English में 3 article है, a, an and the. Actually 2 types of article is there. A and n is the optional articles. दोनों एक दूसरे के जगह पे लगते हैं. And the second one are old articles. They are always used before nouns, and one thing you have to keep in mind while using articles is that articles always used with a noun. Noun के साथ यूज होते हैं. These words say something about the nouns that follow them, or article show us the say something about the nouns that followed them. वो हमें नाउन के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं, नाउन के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं. So article must be required in our English grammar. It gives the detailed information related to noun. वो noun के बारे में हमें something say देता है. There are 2 types of articles in our English. As you learn in your lower classes, there are mainly 2 types of articles in our English. First one is the indefinite article. First one is the indefinite article. Indefinite article included 2 article a और n. यहाँ पे 2 आर्टिकल इंक्लूड हुए हैं, a और n. उससे हम indefinite articles बोलते हैं. a and n is considered as a indefinite articles. Second type of article is the definite article. Definite article included only 1 article, the. The is considered as a definite article. And a or n is considered as the indefinite articles. Now first of all we have to understand about what is the indefinite article and what is the definite article. Both things we have to understand. After that we have to solve the example. Okay. First of all, indefinite articles. What is indefinite articles? Indefinite articles included 2 articles, a and n. Okay. They are used before singular countable nouns to introduce or refer to the person or things. First of all, indefinite articles is used before singular countable noun. Keep in mind, singular countable noun. Singular एक ही चीज होनी चाहिए और वो countable होनी चाहिए. For example, a chair, a table, a bench. It is a singular thing and countable thing. Both is there. So both conditions must be required. Singular and countable nouns. It is used with a singular countable noun to introduce or refer to a person or thing. पहली बार हम जब किसी चीज की बात कर रहे हैं उस टाइम पे it is known as a introduce or refer to a person or thing. पहली बार हमने चेयर की बात करता हूँ तो मुझे उसके आगे इंडिपेंडेंट आर्टिकल a और n लगाना है जो सुटेबल है वो. Can you understand? Whenever we introduce anything or any person, at that time we require indefinite article. पहली बार हम जिसकी बात कर रहे हैं उसके लिए हमें indefinite article की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ेगी. The readers or listener do not know which particular thing is being referred to, and that indefinite articles, readers or listener cannot know which particular things we are referring. हम कौन सी पर्टिकुलर चीज की बात कर रहे हैं वो रीडर और लिसनर को पता नहीं चलता with indefinite articles. I am talking here a chair, but which chair? Do you understand about it? मैं कौन सी चेयर की बात कर रहा हूँ आपको नहीं पता चलेगा. A chair, a table, a bench. बट कौन सी बेंच, कौन सी चेयर, कौन सा टेबल की बात कर रहा हूँ वो आपको नहीं पता चलेगा. सो इट इज नोन एज ए इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल। पहली बार जब भी मैं कोई चीज को इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगा, एट दैट टाइम आई यूज इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल ए और ए। कीप इन माइंड दैट पॉइंट्स। नाउ सेकंड वन इज दैट डेफिनेट आर्टिकल। डेफिनेट आर्टिकल, उसके बारे में बात करते हैं। डेफिनेट आर्टिकल इज ओनली वन, द, उसे हम द बोलते हैं। इट कैन बी यूज्ड विद सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल नाउन। द आर्टिकल्स मीन डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स कैन बी यूज्ड विद सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल नाउन, दोनों के साथ यूज कर सकते हैं। ऑन द अदर हैंड इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स इज यूज्ड ओनली विद सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन। हियर डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स इज यूज्ड विद सिंगुलर and plural, both types of nouns we can use definite article the. It is used when the readers or listener know the noun that is being referred to. Or here, contrary things is given here. In indefinite articles, readers or listener do not know which particular thing is being referred here. But definite articles here, readers or listener know the noun that is being referred to it. Means उसका मतलब क्या होता है? इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल जब भी कोई लिसनर और रीडर पढ़ता है तो उसे पता नहीं चलता कि कौन सी चीज की बात कर रहे हैं, उसे हम इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स बोलते हैं। मगर डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स हम किस चीज की बात कर रहे हैं उससे रीडर और लिसनर को पता चल सकता है। सो दैट्स वे वी हैव टू यूज डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने आपको पहले बताया था इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल यूज करके ए चेयर। आपको पता नहीं ए चेयर कौन सी चेयर की मैं बात कर रहा हूं, मगर इफ आई रिफर द चेयर एंड सेकंड सेंटेंस आई एड द चेयर, स्पेसिफिक चेयर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, जो मैं स्पेसिफिक चेयर की बात कर रहा हूं वो डेफिनेट आर्टिकल में इंक्लूड होता है। स्पेसिफिक थिंग, स्पेसिफिक पर्सन, एट दैट टाइम वी हैव टू पुट द आर्टिकल। हम चौकस किसी चीज की बात कर रहे हैं वो उस टाइम पे हमें द डेफिनेट आर्टिकल यूज करना चाहिए। सो नाउ आइडिया क्लियर अबाउट इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल एंड डेफिनेट आर्टिकल। बोथ एग्जांपल वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। With that example, you can understand easily. First one is that please call a student. Here I add the article a before noun student. मैंने student के आगे a article लगाया। What is the meaning of that sentence? Can you know that? Please call a student. Please call a student. किसी एक student को बुलाओ, not a specific. मैंने यहाँ पे specific नहीं किया कि भाई राज को बुलाओ, रवि को बुलाओ। I don't say that. I say that call a student, किसी एक स्टूडेंट को बुलाओ, not a specific student here. I am not talking about a specific student. So here indefinite article a is used. Now in second sentence C, second sentence is given here. Please call the students, a student who wrote this paper. Please call the student who wrote this paper. आप इस स्टूडेंट को बुलाओ जिसने ये पेपर लिखा है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन पेपर इज इन माई हैंड, सो आई से दैट प्लीज कॉल द स्टूडेंट हु रोट दिस पेपर। ए पेपर जिसने लिखा है वो स्टूडेंट को बुलाओ। हियर स्पेसिफिक स्टूडेंट्स आई रिक्वायर। मुझे यहाँ पे एक स्पेसिफिक स्टूडेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट है। कौन स्टूडेंट? तो कि जिसने ये पेपर लिखा है वो स्टूडेंट को बुलाओ। तो इट इज अ डेफिनेट थिंग, यहाँ पे वो डेफिनेट बनता है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे द आर्टिकल लगाया है। द स्टूडेंट हु रोट दिस पेपर। ए स्टूडेंट को, वो स्टूडेंट को बुलाओ जिसने ये पेपर लिखा है। यहाँ पे मैं स्पेसिफिक स्टूडेंट की बात कर रहा हूँ और पहले स्टूडेंट में मैं स्पेसिफिक स्टूडेंट की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, इसलिए इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल लगाया है और यहाँ पे डेफिनेट आर्टिकल लगाया है। कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन डेफिनेट आर्टिकल एंड इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल? सो इट इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द आर्टिकल्स. Okay, it is the measured two types of article, indefinite article and definite articles. Now we have studied about both types of articles in details. Now students, we have to understand in details about both types of articles. First type is that indefinite articles. Indefinite articles is considered as a or n. Both articles, this study we have to do here in this lesson. First of all, you know, as you know that in our previous screen we studied about that they are used with a singular countable noun. Indefinite articles always used with a singular countable noun. Singular countable nouns के साथ यूज होता है indefinite articles. Keep in mind. Second thing is that when noun begin with a consonant sound we use a. जब भी कोई नाउन स्टार्टिंग विथ ए कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट साउंड, नॉट स्पेलिंग्स लेटर। यहाँ पे हमें स्पेलिंग्स का लेटर नहीं देखने। इन योर स्टडी यू सी दैट योर टीचर एक्सप्लेन दैट यू हैव टू सी द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ नाउन, बट हियर आई एम इंसिस्ट ऑन साउंड ऑफ ए नाउन। हमें उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन करना है। According to that pronunciation, we have to put articles, not saying letters. Letters देख के हमें नहीं put करना है. Just we have to pronounce it. If vowel sound created, then we have to put an article. If consonant sound created, then we have to put a article. See, when noun begins with a consonant sound, I will write here consonant sound. At that time we use a. Example is given here. See, chair. Chair. Speak. Pronunciation is given here. Chair. It is started with a cha. Cha means consonant. Consonant means we have to put a article. So I put here a chair. Table. Second example is that table. Table. So it starts with a ta. Ta is a consonant sound. Ta is considered as a consonant sound. So we have to put a articles here both places. If sound is consonant, at that time we have to put a articles. Now next topic is that when noun begins with a vowel sound, we use an. If sound is vowel, then at that time we have to put article n. तो हमें उस टाइम पे n article put करना है. See here one example I write orange. Orange. Don't see the first letter of the spelling. Spelling का first letter मत देखो, but pronunciation it, sound it. Orange. It is started with O. O means vowel sound, and vowel sound have this spelling. Then we have to put an article. So that's why I put here an article. An orange. Orange. It is started with the O. O is considered as a vowel sound, and we have to put an article here. Can you understand then? So keep in mind consonant sound, then a vowel sound, then we have to put an article. Now here two example I have. Post wanted to see a camel. Post wanted to see a camel. Camel. Don't see the first letter. I told you once again. Just pronunciation. If sound, we have to see sound here, not letter. So if sound is consonant, then we have to put a article. Camel. It is starting with a K. Here in Gujarati we can say that camel. It is started with a K. Like that. We can write it like that in Gujarati language. Camel. So it is started with a K. K. It is started with a K. K means consonant sound. K means consonant sound. So I put here a. Can you understand? Now second one is that make so and ostrich. 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 It is spoken like that. Sound like that. O. O. It is started with a O in Gujarati. Gujarati we can started with a O. So here article N is put because O is considered as a vowel sound in our English. So okay. English and Gujarati both it is known as a vowel sound. It is so I put an article. Sometimes with saying the spellings of first letters you may be confused. At that time just you have to make a sound. You have to pronounce that spelling. So if you sound that spelling, that noun, then you can able to put correct articles here. So with some examples we have to understand about it. Okay, uniform. You wear uniform whenever you come at school. Uniform. But can you know that uniform? See here, most of the students make a mistake here. They see you. यहाँ पे क्या देखते हैं आप लोग जो स्टूडेंट है वो यू देखते हैं. यू देखते हैं इसलिए आप यहाँ पे एन लगा के आ जाते हैं. इट इज एन यूनिफॉर्म. एन यूनिफॉर्म. बट इट इज टोटली रॉन्ग. कैन यू नो दैट? इट इज टोटली रॉन्ग. यहाँ पे एन आएगा ही नहीं. You see the U. U is considered as a vowel in our English. But we have to do sound. I told you once again. Sound करना है. Uniform. U like that. Uniform. उसका sound कैसे होगा? Uniform. Uniform like your next one is first letter is Y. Y. So why don't take N articles? Why always take A articles? So instead of N, here you have to write A articles. You have to write A articles here. So now it's become a correct A uniform. That types of problems arise while you are putting articles. आप जब भी articles put करते हैं तो ऐसा ही problem आता है. Second example is that European, but you have to make sound Europeans. It is also sound like started with a Y. वो Y से start होता है. So Y means we have to put A articles. Sometimes some nouns have a silent letters also. First letter silent. For example, our. Can you know that? But here H is silent. So it is started with our. O. It is considered as a our. O से start होता है. किससे start होता है? O से. O means here. O means vowel sound. So we have to put here N. If you see the first letter H, then you will totally you put the A articles. But actually you have to make a sound. Our. Not our. We cannot say that our, but our. Our is also start होता है. Means N article we have to put here. So both things you have to keep in mind. You have to make a consonant sound compulsory. आपको उससे pronunciation करना है. Then you have to put article. Otherwise your articles will be wrong. Understand, student? Here we discussed about indefinite articles where we have to put which sound arise and how we have to use. All the things we discussed about indefinite articles. Now, second type of article, definite articles, we have to see in our next video. Thank you for joining us.